Now, what is the relation between internal resistance, EMF, and terminal potential difference? Internal resistance we already have discussed, EMF we already have discussed, and now terminal potential difference. So, terminal potential difference, the potential drop across the terminals of a cell. Okay, when current is being drawn. So, this is a cell. This is a cell, and this is the internal resistance of a cell we are showing in this way. Okay, now so completely cell is represented by this dot. This is completely a cell. Now this is connected to an external resistance R and current is flowing I through this. Okay, so we know the definition of EMF. EMF is the amount of work done by the cell in carrying a unit charge along the circuit, complete circuit. Okay, work done in moving a charge, unit positive charge along the circuit, along the complete circuit. So we can write EMF E equal to work done in carrying a unit charge from along the complete circuit. Let us divide it in two parts, work done from A to B and work done from B to A. B to A, that is inside the cell, and this is outside the cell. So work done from A to B, work done by the cell, and from B to A. And for unit charge, so work done for unit charge equal to Q equal to V, W equal to QV. So for unit charge, W equal to V. So we can write V AB plus V B. Okay, or V plus suppose V dash, E equal to EMF equal to. Now, according to Ohm's law, V equal to V is the potential from A to B, between A and B. So this is, if current is I, potential drop across this resistance I into R, plus potential drop across this resistance I into a small r. So E equal to I R plus a small r, or it can be written I equal to E upon R plus R. Okay, this is one form, I equal to current. That is the, we can say in this way also, that this resistance and internal resistance, they are connected in series. So I equal to E upon R plus a small r. Now we can write V, terminal potential difference. So terminal potential difference, V equal to, from this equation, E minus I R. Okay, this is V I R, capital I R, potential, terminal potential difference, E, the V equal to E minus I R. Okay, and if we want to find out internal resistance, then R equal to from this E minus V upon I. If we I, place of I, if we write V upon R, I equal to V equal to IR, so I equal to V upon R. So E minus V upon R. So it will be E minus V upon V into R.